Imagine your private conversations being just a click away from strangers. That's exactly what happened with Neon, a now-defunct app that promised to turn your phone calls into cash while quietly selling your data to AI firms. But here's where it gets controversial. The app's explosive popularity, spiking to the top 5 free iPhone apps in days, was quickly overshadowed by a catastrophic security flaw that left users' personal information exposed. And this is the part most people miss. The breach wasn't just a technical glitch, it was a systemic failure to protect user privacy from the ground up. Launched last week, Neon's premise was simple. Users could earn money by recording their phone calls, which the app then sold to AI companies for training purposes. With 75,000 downloads in a single day, the app seemed like a win-win. Users got paid, and AI firms gained valuable datasets. But the reality? A critical security oversight allowed any logged-in user to access anyone else's data, including phone numbers, call recordings, and transcripts. TechCrunch uncovered this flaw during a routine test, using tools like Burp Suite to analyze how the app communicated with its servers. What they found? A treasure trove of sensitive data, accessible with just a URL. For example, TechCrunch created a dummy account and discovered that even basic metadata, like call durations, timestamps, and contact numbers, was freely available. Worse, audio files and text transcripts were stored on public servers, requiring no authentication beyond knowing the link. This meant that, theoretically, anyone with technical know-how could snoop on strangers' conversations, track their social circles, or even monetize the data themselves. And yes, some users were already leveraging the app to make lengthy calls, secretly recording real-world interactions to maximize their earnings. When TechCrunch alerted Neon's founder, Alex Keum, the app went offline almost immediately. In a hastily sent email to users, Keum cited the need for extra layers of security to protect privacy during the app's rapid growth. But notably, the message never acknowledged the breach outright. Users were left in the dark about the severity of the flaw or whether their data had already been compromised. Was this an oversight or a deliberate omission to avoid panic? That's the question sparking debate in tech circles. This isn't the first time app stores have let major security flaws slip through. Just months ago, a dating app called T leaked 72,000 users' ID documents. In 2024, Bumble and Hinge face scrutiny for exposing users' precise locations. And yet, Apple and Google have remained silent on Neon's compliance with their developer guidelines. Should app stores bear more responsibility for vetting privacy practices before approving apps? Or is it up to developers to self-regulate? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. As for Neon, its future is uncertain. Keum has yet to confirm if the app underwent a pre-launch security audit or if logs exist to determine whether data was stolen before the shutdown. Meanwhile, investors like Upfront Ventures and X Fund have stayed quiet, refusing to comment. One thing is clear. In the race to monetize data, privacy often takes a back seat, and that's a problem we can't ignore.